Hi, I'm Gavin Coulthard from Swimlane, and today what I'd like to walk you through is a really cool solution using a source of information from the good people at Ransomware Live. I highly recommend you go and have a look at these guys, buy them a coffee. The information they provide is awesome. What it provides is a consolidated view of all of the main ransomware claims, and it covers a whole range of different sources. So whilst that information is really cool and interesting, what we're doing within the Swimlane world is grabbing that information using their open API and making it relevant to me as an organization. So what I've built is these nice cool dashboards. We have a summary of all of the latest ransomware victims by country. We have alerts over time. We have which ransomware groups are involved. We can dig into that and get an understanding of who they are and what their main methods of attack are, all of those sort of things. The other one we have down the bottom here is an industry summary. So if I'm in, say, the legal industry or the hospitality or the real estate industry, I can get a great view of what's happening within my particular industry. What I've also done here is using our asset capability, which gives us a means to store a key value pair list. I'm interested in particularly regions in Australia, and I'm also interested in my company. So what I can do then is list perhaps just my company, but I also can list all my key partners, all my suppliers, my distributors, my competitors, all of the other companies that I'm interested in. So I can then receive on my dashboard any alerts if any of those organizations appear in the ransomware.live feed. So I get a bit of a heads up as to what's happening outside of my organization. If I drill into one of the fields, I'll just dig into energy for no particular reason. I can see the industry. I can see the description of who is being ransomwared, which group is performing this action. I can see a summary of the group, and I can see a copy of the method that they're trying to use to infiltrate this particular organization, when it occurred, when it was discovered, all of the other information associated with it. So that gives me some great insight into actually what's going on within this particular ransomware attack. So what I can also do using our automations is, if at the moment all I have is a big flashing light saying no new alerts, or an alert if something pops up, I can have that on my single pane of glass dashboard, or I can also use that as a trigger to send me or send my team members a Teams note or a Slack note, or send them an email or some other method to notify, or even even create a Jira ticket or a ServiceNow ticket, some other means to notify them that a particular ransomware incident has occurred. So with the open toolkit that's available within the Swimlane platform, this is a quick view of what I'm actually doing to retrieve that information. I have a cron job that runs every day. I'm doing a native HTTP action to retrieve the ransomware data. I receive all of the information. I loop through all of that. I grab the details and I create or update records for ransomware events. So that's the simple playbook that grabs and retrieves all of the information. I have another playbook that scrolls through this on a similar time frame, and I loop through the companies and I search for my company name or if any other companies that match the criteria, and I tag an alert to those particular records. Beyond that, I could then use my native actions to do any other type of interaction with the other services in my organization, such as Jira, ServiceNow, Teams, email, whatever else. So that's a really quick run through of how we can utilize publicly available services that provide great information, but we can then use the Swimlane platform to really pick out the information that's pertinent to us and provide a means of automation so that we can receive that information and make that information actionable for our organization. I hope this little snippet has been of value, and thank you very much for listening.